Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export any of the iClone 8 motions or the iClone motion file through Unreal Engine 5.0.1 just for any avatar in Unreal Engine. For any avatar, for all avatar in Unreal Engine 5, you can retarget it with the iClone 8 motions, but how? So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. Now you can see I already opened my Unreal Engine 5. This is the Unreal Engine 5 project. Wait, I'm going to close it first. And I'm going to start a fresh new project so that you will know how to do it from beginning. Alright, first I will open my Epic Game Launcher. And then I'm going to launch my Unreal Engine 5.0.1. Just launch it. Now the Unreal Engine 5.0.1 is launching now. And we are going to create a new project. Okay, this is a fresh new project. And now you can look at this new project. Under your contents, you will have your third person. And you will have your characters, mannequins. Under the meshes, what we are going to export is the SKM queen. Because this is the main avatar now. So far, you are going to use the SKM queen to retarget any other animations. So what we're going to do is just export the skeletal mesh of SKM Queen Simple. First, we just do it that way. Right click, the asset actions, export. Export it as demo. I'm going to export it on my desktop. SKM Queen Simple. I'll export it as FBX. Just click save and click export. Now it is exporting as FBX file and it is here exported. Next, open the character creator 4. Drag in the SKM Queen Simple. Drag in. Click character and then select the humanoid. Click apply. Next. At here the profile, you choose the Unreal based character and click OK. Now it is here already. Now you can see the body already bent in that way. So what we are going to do is just come to here. Sorry. Click here characterization. And then click off the human IK, you click off. Then double click this, double click and press E, rotate it back to make the body straight. Now everything looks perfect, right? Alright, now straight and perfect already. Then you can just click File, Export as iAvatar so that you can use it next time. Click Export it on my desktop. As demo, I'm going to put the same name as the SKM Queen Simple. Press F2, Ctrl C to copy and paste it here. Ctrl V. Name it properly and click save. Now, this iAvatar already here. So this is the iAvatar and next time, you click active. With active already, click here. Now, you must active first. Delete this iAvatar and export it again. File, export the iAvatar. Export it again on my desktop. Click save. So next time, if I close the CC4, and next time, if I want to open again, just drag in the iAvatar. Everything will be ready. See now, the iAvatar already here. So what we're going to do if we want to export the iClone 8 motion, any of the iClone motion file into Unreal Engine 5.0.1 and retarget it, what we're going to do is just click File, Export the FBX clove character. This is the character creator 4, always remember. And then the target tool preset, you choose Unreal. The FBX motions, you choose motion only, and custom. By default, here is totally empty. What we are going to do, you can check your iClone. It is under your motion here. Under the motions, you can see some of the motion file, for example, the perform, the add-ons. Right click it, find the file. Once you find the file already, it is going to open in the file explorer. It is easier for you to see, for example, the sit talk. Let's say if I want to export the sit talk motions, what we are going to do is copy the folder destination location, Ctrl C to copy, and then back to the character creator 4 here. Under the custom, you click open. Here, Ctrl V to paste the destination location and press enter. Then sit talk. This is the ones that we want to export it as the FBX motion. Double click it. And of course, you can open more. For example, the add-ons is okay now. So far, it's 2. Then, here you have to take save one motion per file. This is very crucial. Here, select motion only, save one motion per file. Then here you must choose Unreal, click export. Click OK. As demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. Right click new folder, animation. I'm going to name this folder as animation. Enter the folder. The file name here you must put properly, skm queen. Then underscore motion, simple underscore simple motion. So use this name, use it properly, save. Now it is going to export the true motion as the FBX file. Now close everything. Back to here under the animation. You can see you already have 2 FBX files. You are going to import it into Unreal Engine 5.0.1. Under the same folder here, SKM Queen Simple, you can right click, create a new folder, name it as animation. Double click in, then at here, you drag 2 of this, drag in, drag and drop. The skeleton, you must choose the SK mannequin. Then the animation length, you must choose animated time. These 2 are very important. Then you click import all, and now it is importing. You have to wait for a while until it finish. You have to wait. Alright, once it finish transfer, it will pop out the message log. What you need to do is just close it. And now we can have a check our animation sequence. The first one is the add-ons. Double click and check the animation sequence. Yes, you can see everything already retargeted properly and perfectly. This is the add-ons. And close. Check the second one. Simple motion, sit and talk. Yeah, that is really awesome. You can see this is another motion. Now both of the iClone motion file already converted to become the animation sequence in Unreal Engine 5.0.1. And always remember, this mannequin, this SKM Queen Simple is the main avatar. This is the default main avatar, and you can retarget it anything just by using these 2. For example, the Mizamo animation or any other like character creator 4 avatar, you can retarget it easily. So we choose the SKM Queen Simple as the retargeting process. Okay, that's all for today about how to import any of the iClone 8 motion file into Unreal Engine 5.0.1 for any avatar in Unreal Engine 5. For any avatar, for all avatar, you can use this method. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.